How to log in Hotmail account on PC. Hey everybody, welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your Hotmail account in your PC. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. Then at the top search bar, type in Hotmail login. As you do so, you will see its official website of Outlook. Click onto that. As you do so, you will get directed to this page. In here, simply type in your email or phone number. In case you don't have an account, click here to create one. And at this page, type in your password and click on to sign in. In case you have forgotten your Hotmail password, click on Forgot Password and get help resetting your account. And if your credentials to your account are correct, you will see this page, which means that you have successfully logged into your account. And that is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.